time we're going to continue the report, our topics, and this time we have the teacher and the community, the teacher ethical and professional behavior. So, in the teacher and the community, what can you say about this topic? Victor, do you have any idea about this? Yes, Jessica title.
This, maybe we are going to talk about is the teacher ethical and professional behaviors of the teachers within the community or in the school.
Yes, there is something to that. So, under this the teacher and the community article, we have sections that we are going to tackle. The first one is actually, nani siya ay section 1 siya, pero ang nasa linggo kay section 2 ra dito. So, ako na nasa kuan chapter section 1. The section 1 is all about the So the section 1 is all about the title itself, which is the teacher and the community. A teacher is a facilitator of learning and of the development of the youth. He shall therefore render the best service by providing an environment conducive to such and growth. So the teacher and community mo siya ang first nga section 1. Pero ano yung magiging title ulit. So ano yung sa section 2? The leadership and initiatives for community. Section 2 refers to the leadership and the initiative of the professional teacher to participate in community movements for moral, social, economic, and civic betterment of the community. So, ang section 2 refers to kanang kuano sa mga professional teacher na po. Kung kanina sa section 1 is teacher and the community, ang section 2 kay involved na siya o kanang kuano participation or kanang engagement sa mga activities sa community. Schools are at the heart of communities, and you as professional teachers are expected to be in the world and to be in the world with others and for others. Or in the words of ang ingon ni Heidegger nga kuano teachers are expected to be in the world and to be in the world with others. Ang pagkasagutan na is kana maging engaged ka ba? You are not isolated, but rather you are kana kuan. You are one of kanang isa ka sa mga naglihok din na sa inyong community, and also to be in the world with others and for others. Also, dili lang ikaw ang kanang murag naalang ka nila, kundi para pagka sa uban ba? Na ano, when others need you, you can help them. It also provides leadership and initiative. This implies that as a professional teacher, you have not to wait for community to ask for help. So, what do you understand sa aning phrase? Ikaw, yan. This implies that as a professional teacher, you have not to wait for community to ask for help.
For me, that meaning is as a professional teacher, naana sa ato maak na initiative ba to act. Dili na need na pulaton pa na ang community may mag-ingon sa ato.
Thank you. Yan. So, all siya ang butasapot sa section 2. It also states that you, the professional teacher, also take the initiative to offer you to offer your help for the improvement of the community. So, ano to yung niya, no, na di na kinanglan niya, kuan pa ka, nga murag hangyon pa ka, kundi it's your will to help and to offer your help to others para na improvement sa community. So, next is the professional teacher with honor and dignity. On section 3 ito siya. It states that every teacher shall merit reasonable social recognition for which purpose he shall behave with honor and dignity at all times and refrain from such activities as gambling, smoking, drunkenness, and other excesses, much less illicit relations. So, ang section 3 nag-stage siya na ang teacher have to be like a model in the community. Stands with honor and dignity. Nakabantay mo katong one time na ay vlogger na nasa siya ipanguta na ba about sa i-interview na babae kay about sa elections pero kuano na libaliban pa sa interview kaya siya na di pwede na ang dito kay teacher day itong live so hindi sila pwede mag-apil sa mga inano daw apil na siya sa trabaho sa teacher and also kanang gisulti tayo ang mga gambling, smoking, drunkenness teachers must not be in there. Dili, dalawang dili. Hindi ka rin okay. Instead nga, ang teacher magtulot sa mga bata nga magligay anak, isa to, kung ano yung magkuhan, kung ano yung magpakita, bubuhat anak. So, more to, ang section 3, if live up to the challenge to behave or model good behavior, they are condemned without trial. It is no wonder why many are afraid to answer the call to teach. Society seems to expect much more from professional teachers than from any other professional, and so look at teachers with scrutinizing eyes. So, para din siya ng mga teacher as a professional, that's why we have to live up with honor and dignity. So the quotation states, the influence of a good teacher can never be erased, but the influence of a dishonorable teacher is as lasting. Kinsa maka-share about this quote? Kanang may idea about this? Ikaw, Victor? Yeah. At si Rosemary. The floor is yours.
The influence of a good teacher can never be erased, but the influence of a dishonorable teacher is lasting. So, based on my perspective, the influence of a good teacher can never be erased. So, if ever na ang teacher is may minute bitaw siya o kailangan sa iyang mga students. So, ang ang mga ipangtuto bitaw niya sa iyang mga estudyante is mutatat bitaw siya mas dali ma-adapt sa mga students kung may tututo ang teacher. But the influence of this dishonorable teacher is lasting. So, if ever na teacher mo ka, tas maot ka o batasan, tas maabot sa point bitaw nga maano na ka ma-dance. May mga sila, mo ni ang teacher na katong maot kayo batasan o. So, murag something like same lang bitaw sila. Sila ito in common ra. Hindi hapon sila malimtan, pero different but in different ways. Positive and negative ways.
No, aware ka rin mga itong bago lang ito po nga itong principal tao nga ang nilagay sa akon sa lakon solution yung pinipawin mga tunga it's dishonorable
Kamang diri.
In this, dito siya nato nga kuan mo kanto mo bulong nato nga kanta mo ba kay mga may tabo nya teacher ka mo para pabilin sa mga tao.
Nana mo tata.
The influence of a good teacher can never be reached. Mura kita tong proverbs nga kuan mga the memory of the just is blessed but alimot ko. Basta kaya sa Twitter bigan itong alimot ako. Shoutout ang mga band marami siya. Alimot ko. So, part of our portions reports and the session 4 will be continued by Michelle.